Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are about to investigate on thoughts. Of course, thoughts are very mysterious in our life. Only we are here to understand about the functions of thoughts. But it seems to be very tedious and arduous. But without doing that, it seems life becomes meaningful. If we are to start with, we brand thoughts as good and bad. But thoughts are simply thoughts. Whether they are good or bad, only we are branding it so. By understanding thoughts, we will have an insight into life. So it is very much necessary to understand about thoughts. Thoughts are coming from our own mind. So understanding thoughts and understanding mind are one and the same. Again, we have to ask this question: is there any other instrument of inquiry other than thoughts? Certainly, it is there. It is consciousness. Now, what to do with consciousness? We are simply aware. We feel it. We feel the glimpse of awareness. It seems awareness is the solution for all of our life problems. Now let us see what thought has created in our life. Thoughts are certainly needed as far as utilitarian things are concerned with our life. But when thoughts are used to make atom bombs, certainly it is not needed. Already we have told thoughts are limited and mechanical, and also it is repetitive. When we are unaware, thoughts are crowded. All the things man has created are out of thoughts only. We use thoughts to kill a human being. It is very sad. Even though man claims that he has been civilized, but we have not learned not to kill a fellow human being. Killing a fellow human being, he kills only himself. So thoughts are used here. Then all the divisions like national boundaries, languages, caste, creed, these are also products of thoughts. Now, whether thoughts can be the solution to the same thought process, it is not at all possible. Thoughts are self-contradictory. Thoughts cannot solve the problems of thoughts. That means we have to go beyond thought. Simply choiceless awareness is the only solution. When we are conscious, we see the solutions for various problems of life. When we hate others, thoughts are involved. All the petty things of mind are the product of thoughts only. This means when we try to understand thoughts, there can be solution to all the problems. Now, how do we understand thoughts? We have to be aware the origin of thoughts. If we go into the very roots of thoughts, it is not necessary to control the thoughts. It seems controlling the thoughts itself is a misnomer, because somewhere thoughts are needed and somewhere thoughts are not needed. Now, we ourselves are to decide where to apply thoughts and where not to apply thoughts. This process is called meditation. Simply understanding our thought process is known as meditation. Already in a video we have told meditation is not at all mystical. Simply it is understanding our own thought process. When we understand our thought process, mind becomes very calm and creative. That is the only way in front of us. In a sense, it is very simple, because we are always with the thoughts. Thoughts are the only mechanism. It is said that our body itself is a kind of thought. Even to understand time, we have to understand thoughts. Thoughts and time go together. So, when we are ready to understand the thought process, we will be able to understand all the conflicts in our life. So, a creative awareness will be born into us that will give all the prediction of life. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video telling about some other religious aspect of life.